According to National Electrical Code Section 430.122b, motor branch circuit protection must be provided by a protective device rated at not more than the motor nameplate current rating. National Electrical Code Section 430.22a states that conductors for a motor circuit must be protected against overload by overcurrent protection rated in accordance with Table 430.152 and have an ampacity not less than the values given in Table 310.16 for the motor current. National Electrical Code Section 430.53b specifies that motor controllers must provide protection against overloads that may result from overload in the motor circuit and failure to start a locked rotor. In this scenario, the motor is rated at 30 horsepower, 460 volts, 3-phase, 60 Hz, with a full load amperage of 40 amps. The variable frequency drive is not specified in the question. Variable frequency drives can draw higher current during starting than the motor's nameplate rating. However, the drive typically has built-in protection against overload conditions. Based on the provided information, a motor circuit protection analysis can be made. According to National Electrical Code Section 430.122b, the motor branch circuit must be protected by a breaker rated at not more than 40 amps. An NEC FENR starter with a 90 amp/3 standard rated breaker would be permissible for the number 6 conductors, as it meets the ampacity requirements of Table 310.16, which is 40 amps for number 6 conductors. The variable frequency drive itself provides overload protection for the motor. However, the conductor size must still be in accordance with Table 310.16 and Table 430.152. Without specific information about the variable frequency drive, it is not possible to determine if number 3 conductors would be required. It is recommended to consult the manufacturer's specifications for the variable frequency drive to determine the current draw during starting and recommended conductor sizing. If the variable frequency drive's maximum starting current exceeds the ampacity of number 6 conductors, which is 20 amps, then number 3 conductors would be required. If number 3 conductors are required, the 90 amp/3 standard rated breaker may not provide sufficient protection and a larger breaker may be necessary.